In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy paste same text into multiple columns or rows at once in Microsoft Word Table. Now this should be a quick and easy process video. So if you want to copy the same text on multiple rows in Microsoft Word, all you have to do is to go ahead, select the text, and then just copy it like any other normal text. Just hit Control C or right click it and then copy it, then drag to the boxes you want, then hit Control V. All you have to do is to choose the boxes, all of them, the rows, and hit Control V or paste in them. So this was an easy and quick process video, and as always, I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.